Bitcoin has taken the world by storm. It's one of the most talked about investments of our time. But a pressing question remains. Is Bitcoin a bubble, ready to burst? To answer this, let's look at history. Financial bubbles have happened many times before. They often start with excitement and speculation. Prices soar, driven by the hope of unlimited profits. Then, suddenly, they crash. One of the earliest bubbles was the Tulip Mania of the 1600s. In the Netherlands, tulips became symbols of wealth and status. Prices for tulip bulbs skyrocketed. At the peak, a single bulb could cost as much as a house. But tulips are just flowers. When the market crashed, fortunes were lost overnight. Another famous bubble was the South Sea Bubble. This happened in 1720. The South Sea Company promised huge profits from trade with South America. Speculators rushed to buy shares. The price of the stock soared. But the company's promises were empty. When reality hit, the bubble popped. Investors were left with nothing. The dot-com bubble of the 1990s is another example. The internet was a new and exciting technology. Companies with .com in their names attracted billions in investments. But many had no business plans or revenue. In 2000, the bubble burst, wiping out trillions in value. However, some companies, like Amazon and Google, survived and thrived. So, how does Bitcoin compare? Bitcoin started as a niche project. It was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto. At first, it was worth less than a penny. Today, its price has reached tens of thousands of dollars. This rise has been both exciting and controversial. Critics say Bitcoin's price is inflated by speculation. They see its dramatic rises and falls as a warning sign. Others believe Bitcoin is different. They argue it's not just another bubble. What makes Bitcoin unique? First, it's built on blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger. It records transactions in a secure and transparent way. This technology has uses far beyond Bitcoin. Another unique feature is Bitcoin's scarcity. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This is written into its code. Unlike paper money, which governments can print, Bitcoin's supply is limited. This scarcity has earned it the nickname, digital gold. Bitcoin also has growing real-world applications. Some people use it as a store of value, like gold. Others use it to make payments. In some countries, it's even legal tender. However, Bitcoin is not without challenges. One major issue is its volatility. Bitcoin's price can change dramatically in a short time. It's not uncommon for its value to drop or rise by thousands of dollars in a single day. This makes it attractive to traders but risky for long-term investors. Regulation is another concern. Governments are still figuring out how to deal with cryptocurrencies. Some countries, like China, have banned them. Others are creating laws to tax and control them. Environmental concerns are also significant. Bitcoin mining requires a lot of energy. Much of this energy comes from non-renewable sources. Critics argue that this makes Bitcoin unsustainable. Then there's competition. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, but it's no longer alone. Thousands of alternatives, called altcoins, have been created. Some, like Ethereum, offer features that Bitcoin doesn't, such as smart contracts. Others, like Solana, are faster and more efficient. Can Bitcoin maintain its dominance in this crowded market? To understand if Bitcoin is in a bubble, let's revisit history. Bubbles often mix excitement with unrealistic expectations. The dot-com bubble, for instance, created massive short-term losses. But it also laid the foundation for future innovations. Bitcoin might follow a similar path. Its price may be volatile in the short term. But the technology behind it, blockchain, could have lasting value. So, is Bitcoin a bubble? The answer isn't simple. It has characteristics of a bubble, such as rapid price increases and speculation. But it also has strong fundamentals, like limited supply and innovative technology. The future of Bitcoin will depend on many factors. Regulation, competition, and adoption will all play a role. Its ability to maintain trust and prove its value will be critical. One thing is certain: Bitcoin has already changed the financial world. Whether it's a bubble or a long-term success, its impact is undeniable. What do you think? Is Bitcoin about to crash, or is it here to stay? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us create more content about cryptocurrency and finance.